In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tornado chart in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file that contains the data you want to visualize. A tornado chart is a great way to compare two groups side by side across the same categories, and it works especially well when you want a clear, mirrored layout that is easy to read. Before creating the chart, the most important step is to arrange your data properly. You'll want your table set up with one column for your categories and two columns for the values you want to compare. For example, if your columns are category, male, and female, you'll need to make one of those value columns negative. In this example, make all the values in the male column negative. This is what allows one set of bars to appear on the left side of the chart while the other set appears on the right, even though the numbers are negative in the sheet. This is only for chart positioning and formatting. Once your data is ready, highlight the full data set, then go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. From there, choose Insert Column or Bar Chart, and then select Clustered Bar from the drop-down menu. Excel will immediately generate the basic chart structure for you. At this point, your chart will likely show negative numbers on one side of the horizontal axis. Since a tornado chart is usually meant to compare magnitudes rather than emphasize negative values, you can format the axis labels to hide the minus signs while keeping the bars on opposite sides. To do that, double-click the chart so the formatting panel opens on the right side, then click the horizontal axis directly on the chart. In the panel, switch to the Axis Options area and look for the number section. Expand that section, change the category to Custom, and in the type box, enter 0.0. After that, click Add. This custom format tells Excel to display both negative and positive values as regular whole numbers, which makes the chart look cleaner and more balanced. Once that's done, Excel gives you a tornado chart where one data series extends to the left and the other extends to the right from a central axis. This makes it much easier to compare two groups across the same set of categories in a visually intuitive way. And that's it. You now know how to make a tornado chart in Excel.